नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 2-48 योगस्थः कुरु कर्माणि, a study by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Mangalwasari, Tuesday, June 23rd, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamrutavarshinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Amba Tvamanusandadhami Bhagavat Gite Bhavadveshinim. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. योगस्थः कुरु कर्माणि संगम त्यक्त्वा धनंजय सिद्ध्य सिद्ध्योः समो भूत्वा समत्वं योग उच्यते. पदच्छेदः. योगस्थः कुरु कर्माणि संगम त्यक्त्वा धनंजय सिद्ध्य सिद्ध्योः सिद्धि असिद्ध्योः समः भूत्वा समत्वं योगः उच्यते. फ्रेज वाइज स्टडी. वाक्यांशः अभ्यास. धनंजय संगम त्यक्त्वा सिद्ध्य सिद्ध्योः समः भूत्वा योगस्थः त्वं. It is not explicit, so being made explicit here, but putting into bracket. त्वं कर्माणि कुरु समत्वं योगः उच्यते. Note, the words tyaktva, bhutva, also yogastha connote actions prior to the action kuru. That is the logic in taking those phrases at numbers 2, 3, 4. समासशः अभ्यास. योगस्थः. योगे स्थितः इति योगस्थः. उपपद तत्पुरुष. Settled in yoga. Note, I put this word yogastha in a separate line number 4 because it has inherent a specific action. Dhananjaya Visheshanam. Pullingam Sambodhanam Ekvachanam. Dhanam Jayati iti Dhananjaya. Upapad Tatpurusha. Note, Dhananjaya is an adjective Visheshanam, but by convention, by practice, it has become an epithet of Arjuna. Siddhya siddhyoh. Siddhya siddhi स्त्रीलिंगम. षष्ठी द्विवचनम. न सिद्धि इति असिद्धि न तत्पुरुषः. सिद्धि च असिद्धि च इति सिद्ध्य सिद्धि इतरेतर द्वंद्वः. सिद्ध्य सिद्ध्योः unto fulfillment and non-fulfillment. तिगंतशः अभ्यास. Jayati. Now this Jayati comes from the Samasashah Abhyasa. So we should take a note of that also. Jayati. Ji iti dhatu prathamaganeyaha parasmepadi, to win. Kartari prayogaha lat lakaraha prathama purushaha ekvachanam. Kuru. Kru अष्टमगणीयः उभयपदी. अत्र परस्मैपदी, टू डू. कर्तरि प्रयोगः लोट लकारः मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनम्. उच्यते. वच् द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी, टु स्पीक् कर्मणि प्रयोगः, लट् लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं, कृदन्तशः अभ्यासः, स्थितः दिस ऑल्सो केम अप इन समासशः अभ्यासः. सो टेकिंग नोट ऑफ दैट, स्थितः स्था प्रथमगणीयः उपय परस्मैपदी, कृत् प्रत्ययः क्त, स्था क्त स्थित स्टेडीड, जातिः विशेषणं, कर्मणि प्रयोगः, पुल्लिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनं, त्यक्त्वा त्यज प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, कृत् प्रत्ययः क्त्वा, त्यज क्त्वा त्यक्त्वा, ऑन फॉरसेकिंग, अव्ययम, सो नो डिटेल ऑफ लिंगम विभक्ति ही वचनम, भूत्वा भू प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, कृत् प्रत्ययः त्वा, भूक्त्वा भूत्वा, अव्ययम, ऑन बीइंग, कर्तरि प्रयोगः एंड हैज नो डिटेल ऑफ लिंगम विभक्ति ही वचनम. सुबन्तशः अभ्यासः, कर्माणि कर्मन् प्रातिपदिकं, नाम नाउन, एक्शंस, लिंगम नपुंसकलिंगम, अत्र द्वितीया बहुवचनं, संगम संग प्रातिपदिकं, नाम अटैचमेंट, पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनं, धनम धन नाम वेल्थ, नपुंसकलिंगम, अत्र द्वितीया एकवचनं, सिद्धि सिद्धि नाम फुलफिलमेंट, स्त्रीलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनं, समत्वम समत्व नाम इक्वानिमिटी, नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनं, योगः योग नाम रेग्युलेशन, अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनं. The word yoga is yuj plus ghain. Hence yoga has as many meanings as dhatuhu yaj has, yuj has. Here samatvam yoga uchyate is itself one definition of yoga. So equanimity is yoga. But equanimity can be obtained, can be cultivated only by control of mind, regulation. So that's why I have given the meaning of yoga as a regulation. Anvayartha. It will be good to study Anvayartha using the item number 3, phrase wise study, वाक्यांशशः अभ्यासः अभव. धनंजय त्वं संगम त्यक्त्वा सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्योः समः भूत्वा योगस्थः योगे स्थितः भूत्वा कर्माणि कुरु. May it be noted that phrases 2, 3, 4 are sort of preconditions for executing karmani kuru. Again, karmani kuru, execute actions, do actions, encompasses any action, any time, all through life. So, sangam tyaktva siddhya siddhyoh samah bhutva yogastha yoge sthitah bhutva karmani karu is the diktat for conducting life itself. That is diktat for how to live life. Sangam tyaktva, by forsaking attachments. Siddhya siddhyoh samah bhutva, being equal unto fulfillment and non-fulfillment. Yogastha, yoge sthitah bhutva, by being steadfast at yoga. Karmani kuru, do actions. Karmani kuru sthitah. Okay, samatvam yogaha uchyate. Equanimity is called as yoga. छंदो विश्लेषण. योगस्थ कुरु कर्माणि, रुकर्मा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. संगम त्यक्त्वा धनंजय धनंजय एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्योः समो भूत्वा समो भू एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे समत्वं योग उच्यते ग उच्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अनुष्टुप् छन्दोत्र स्वाध्याय. What is detailed under Anvayarthaha is already some Swadhyaya. Yet, what is mentioned there is of course pregnant of more deliberation. Sangam Tyaktva, by forsaking attachment. At the top, I do mention a study by S.L. Abhyankar. Does my ego get attached? May I clarify that mention is not with any ego. That mention is only to clarify that this study is within the limitations of mind and intellect of this person, Mr. S.L. Abhyankar. Any reader can have his or her experience, his or her interpretation. I also mentioned the date. It has happened that I get a newer perception when I revisit. But yes, ego is very subtle. Also, we do have attachments in most actions that we do, especially in the family environment, in the social environment. So, Sangam Tattva is a tough task. We do feel satisfaction, happiness, and maybe some pride, at some small fulfillment also. Also, we do experience frustration, sorrow, hurt of pride, at some non-fulfillment also. Say, not being able to solve a Sudoku puzzle. Am I Siddhya Siddhyo Samaha all the time? Have I understood yoga properly and completely? How can I be yogastha all the time if my understanding itself is not proper and complete? Meanings and grammar of words in this shloka are not very difficult, but to practice what is advocated is definitely challenging. YouTube has the facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to slabhankar@gmail.com. Shubhamastu.